Okay, we're going to talk about our new pre-roll liners. This one is the clear, 100% reinforced pre-roll liner. We run this in 2 feet, 3 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot rolls. A lot of pest control companies want it so they can see through the liner to see if there's any pests behind it. You can pretty much read a newspaper behind it. It's very strong and durable. Again, I assume some people may still be pinning or nailing this product, but it's very easy to use the wall attachment tape. Wall attachment tape will stick to virtually anything. You've seen that probably in one of the videos. And you just stick it in. It's fast, it's sealed, it's simple. It contours very well to rough surfaces. But one of the problems we run into is just so time consuming cutting these liners. And the other thing we deal with is if we get a 4 or 5 foot roll, we end up with 20% waste or 25% waste. So profit margins are really important. So pre-cutting this has saved people an awful lot of time, labor time. If you have any questions or have any specific needs that we can custom do some products for you, just give us a call at your Crawlspace.